poured 2 cups of half and half into a pan with 2½ cups of vegetable stock. Brought it to a boil, lowered the heat, and while whisking, I sprinkled in 3/4 of a cup of fine cornmeal. The trick is to add the cornmeal slowly so it doesn't get lumpy. Then I simmered it for 6 minutes, stirring almost constantly with a wooden spoon until the polenta was thick and smooth. And now I'm going to add some great things to the polenta to make it even richer. So I need 1/4 cup of mascarpone. Mascarpone's like an Italian cream cheese, and it's just going to make it really creamy. Teaspoon of salt. I want to make sure polenta is really well seasoned. And 1/2 teaspoon of pepper. Polenta is really kind of like the Italian equivalent of mashed potatoes. It's just really creamy, comforting, and it's a great base for lots of things. Oh, this looks so good. Okay, off the heat, I'm just going to pour this into the dish. This is going to be the base for the mushrooms. Okay. Just pour it around so it's even. So next are the mushrooms. Let me show you how I roasted these portobello mushrooms. They smell so good. I drizzled them with 3 tablespoons of olive oil, a tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, sprinkled them with a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and roasted them for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. So I'm just going to put the mushrooms right on top of the polenta. Roasting the mushrooms gives them this really great meaty flavor. I love the balsamic on it. That kind of vinegary edge has so much flavor. It's fabulous. So the next thing I'm going to put on top is blue cheese, and I'm using Gorgonzola picante. It's also called mountain gorgonzola. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to crumble it right on top of the mushrooms and the polenta, and it's going to melt into this. It's so delicious. And when it melts, it's just going to have that incredible blue cheese flavor. Just make sure everybody likes blue cheese before you put it on top. I love blue cheese. What's nice also is you can actually assemble this ahead and refrigerate it, and then just bake it before dinner. And you have a great all-in-one make-ahead dinner. No sides required. Okay, this goes into the oven, 375 for 25 minutes. I smell polenta, blue cheese, and mushrooms. Oh, this looks amazing. Wow. Just needs a little bit of salt, just to bring out the flavor. And here's the last pro tip. Serve it family style and let everybody help themselves. It's more fun.